Let me share with you guys now what my EA, right, automatic trading. So every trading this account I will show to you guys. I will show to you guys the both, so you guys will know that it's different accounts was able to make today, right? So this is my public 50K account. You guys can see the deposit here was 50K, right, to start the account. And this is my EA public my FX book. So it's another account, $3,000 for initial balance. The initial balance to start is actually 15 grand, right? So this EA was able to make today, let me show to you, 1.60%. And as you guys can see right here, we started this account on the day 19th of October. The day 20 we made 1.54, and then we just have this beautiful move to the upside. The best thing of this EA is the drawdown. Look how tiny is this drawdown. 0.86% of drawdown and 6.24% in profit. This EA made 3 and 60% every week. So let's say 4% in average, right? And this is a very tested EA. Let me show to you guys the MKL5 right now. You guys will. Is the MKL5 of this EA. You guys can see since 2022, 42 weeks of trades, right? Maybe you are asking yourself right now why we have two different drawdowns, because on the first account, my account that I'm trading right now with this EA, I'm using ultra conservative settings. In this account, I was doing something moderate. It's not aggressive, it's moderate. I have some account it's aggressive and drawdown can go actually to 20%, but in ultra conservative mode, you won't have anything above 4% of drawdown. Now we are in 0.80. Let me check it again, 0.86, right? So you guys can see that it's a live account in Pepperstone, but Pepperstone actually a broker to use this account. I not say that is IC Markets and other brokers too have better market conditions, better slippage. Let me show to you guys actually, because I know MKL5 shows some statics, very good slippage. Look, we was using I was saying, Pepperstone have a good slippage. Actually, it's not the bad at all. And the worst one here is IFC, FBS, Robo-Forex, shit brokers. But IC Markets have the best one. That's why I moved it from Pepperstone to IC Markets. If you guys not sat here, I'm doing this test on IC Markets, right? And we have a better slippage and lower, everything is lower, right? This EA, I will soon trial version of this EA for everybody that want to test it. So if you want to test this EA, just go to link in my bio and join our Telegram group. If you go to my Instagram right now, the link is already there. But if you go to my Instagram, you will have, if you click on this link, you'll be redirected to this page, and you will click HFT Algo Trading. You can click on it and you will be, I was saying again, in this Telegram group, I will release a trial version of this EA. We have more than 42 weeks of tests. Reliability is huge. So you guys can see here too. Let me show actually some statics for MKL5. Profit trades, the strike rate is 68% in moderate mode. Let's say in this way, in ultra conservative, it's better. And we have another stats here, but I won't talk about them. If you have interest, actually, you will find all this information in our Telegram, right? So basically today we have beautiful day trading. I have a beautiful day trading manually, and my EA was able to do beautiful profit today, 6.24 in 7 days. Just to finish, let me show to you guys something very interesting. This EA works perfectly on on brokers that have lower slippage, but to have lower slippage, you need to have first low spreads and no commissions or tiny commissions, right? If your broker charges something like $3 per trade, it can work, but it won't be profitable as in IC Markets, right? But you guys already know that I have one account on through Forex funds. Sorry, I have one account through Forex funds too, but in my Forex funds traded here in my account. Look, this is my account on my Forex funds, and this EA made today $18 of profit. But if you notice here, look, we have commissions, and some trades was closed negative just because of the commission. I was saying before that I'm finished, So this EA is able to trade on prop firms too, but the commissions and bad market conditions too, like look, the spread here on my Forex fund, it's shit spread, right? But some trades it will be profitable, but not as much as it can be in your personal account, especially on if you have one account on IC Markets or even other brokers too. Vantage Broker, I think it's good too, but the IC Markets, the best one, is the leader of the market, so I know they are the best broker to trade. It's the only one that I use actually today. And in FTMEO, this EA was able to make some profit too, but FTMEO have even worse market condition, spread, and commission to trade than my Forex fund. So it's still profitable, but not good as it would be on your personal account. Let me show to you guys. On FTMEO, as you guys can see right here, look, FTMEO charge something between $3 and $5 for each lot negotiated in their broker, right? Look, we made $95 of profit. $31 is just gone in commissions, you know. And they even have good market condition. Look, for gold, they have between 13 and 20 points in spread. So it's very bad. And actually, for all this, for $95 in profit, we was able just to secure $61. It's very bad. You guys need to know too, it's a 25 account, right? If the commission was lower, but they are very, very high commission and bad market conditions. IC Market, the thing is very, very different. We have zero commission, as you guys can see right here. Look, no commission at all. And we have $50 here of profit. But actually today, let me just see my fish book. We made today was $50.14 in profit. That's what the EA made today. One more thing, I need to tell you too that my mentorship will open inscription or enrollment Monday, 31 of October, 3110. So if you want to become one of my students, you feel free to join our Telegram group about mentorship, right? I will drop the link someplace right here. Or even if you go to my link in my bio, you will find a link there to my. Actually, let me show to you guys. To the link on my bio and this group right here, mentorship enrollment group, you can be able to join our group to the people that have interest to become my students on my next mentorship, right? And if you have interest to join the people that are interested, the group for people that are interested in my high frequency trading EA, high frequency trading algo, it's the same process, but the mentorship enrollment group, just select the high frequency trading, algo trading bot or EA, and you will be redirected to the Telegram group or Telegram channel. I don't remember right now, but you will find some place there that I'm showing to you guys all the process to join and the EA if you want, right? Huge and beautiful trading day for me today. I was needing this, right, to recharge my energy. I hope you guys are well. See you guys soon. Take care.